We are starting out with the initial K, first, middle, or last. I have K and I have R. I'm also seeing a roller coaster here, Divine Collective. A roller coaster could be of significance. Someone is wondering how it is that you're still standing after all they've done, Divine Collective. How is it that you are still standing? Because you healed and you had hope, Divine Collective. That is what I'm hearing. Because you've healed. Someone here may play the piano. Spirit says this person is dangerous, Divine Collective. They may play the piano. Getting the name Charmaine, the name Davis. There's a Gemini here, Divine Collective, a Gemini. Someone could be an athlete. I heard athletic. Spirit says they are not able to break you, Divine Collective. Divine intervention is here. Trust your intuition. I'm getting the card of conflict and competition. It's difficult to let go of your energy, Divine Collective. You're showing up as an earth angel in this reading, okay? It's difficult to let go of your energy, the energy of an earth angel. Someone here is obsessed with your energy. Trust your intuition. I'm picking up on a recording of a smear campaign. Your energy became their drug addiction. Someone who was fraudulent. They did something fraudulent here, Divine Collective. Your energy became their drug addiction. Your enemies helped to push you out of your comfort zone, Spirit is saying. Someone here used your medical information, Divine Collective. I knew that was bound to come out. I've been picking up on that for days, Divine Collective. Someone using your medical information or illegally accessing your medical records, Divine Collective. 100,000 is of significance. Continue moving forward, Divine Collective. The initial S is here. So we have the initial K, R, and S. The name Chris could be of significance. KRS. A Leo, a Gemini. Someone was trying to punish you for reclaiming your power here, Divine Collective. And now they're about to do something stupid to get your attention. Death. You have good karma. I heard someone here has 1 foot in the grave, Divine Collective. 1 foot in the grave. Someone is panicking now. Money laundering. Fraudulent activity. Money laundering. Divine Collective. Could be an athlete. This didn't go as planned. Cleopatra is here, Divine Collective, ready to fight for you. We're getting Cleopatra, ready to fight for you. I'm picking up on a lot of bloodlines, Divine Collective. Whatever this person is doing is not working anymore. I feel like this person is pulling their hair out. I see someone here so frustrated that what they're doing isn't working anymore that they're like, they're pulling their hair out, Divine Collective. The name Leah, December 22nd through again, you're enlightened, very aware. Spirit says, let's be clear. You cannot be pulled back into the past, okay? Because they can't even reach you where you're at in the current moment to pull you back. Let's be clear. Abundantly clear, Divine Collective. The initial Y and F. I'm getting a lot of initials, Divine Collective. KRS, YF. Remain calm, Spirit says. This is triple confirmation for someone. The name Tiffany is here. Tiffany. The initial X. I've never gotten this many initials, Divine Collective. We're getting the initial X, the name Tiffany, Charmaine Davis. There's a lump sum of money here, 512 on the clock. The name Kate or Caitlin. Kaylin. There was a love spell that backfired, Divine Collective. Ooh. Someone here said, someone here is saying that they're exposing someone for liking leftovers. And when I say that, someone is exposing someone for sleeping with an ex of yours, possibly a family member, saying that they love leftovers. They love leftovers? Okay. We have H here. Someone's messy. Yeah, this is betrayal. I'm just telling the story. All right, this is betrayal. Someone is being exposed for the ultimate betrayal, Divine Collective. Doing a death spell on you, a love spell on you here. So many spells. However, you're showing up alive and well, Divine Collective. Again, let's make that abundantly clear. None of what they did affected you in any way, shape, or form. The initial S. We have so many initials. Someone is being kicked out for lying. Okay. I'm getting the Black Widow, Divine Collective. The Black Widow being kicked out for lying. A is here. I mean, maybe we're just going to get all the letters in the alphabet at this point. Okay. Healing requires isolation, Spirit says, and most people haven't even conquered being alone. That is what I'm hearing. Someone is really studying you here, trying to figure out how to get back in Divine Collective. A law enforcement officer possibly, or someone connected to law enforcement studying you, trying to figure out how to get back in. The name Ern is a... I'm getting names, initials of people in my family, Divine Collective, a lot, okay? And that's why I'm laughing, because it's so clear. There's so much clarity here, right? That I'm in, look, disbelief. I'm even stuttering, Divine Collective. I didn't even know the word I wanted to use, and the card came out to help me. I'm in disbelief because a lot of these names and initials are actually my storyline, Divine Collective. It's wild. Spirit is saying that these people are possessed. A lot of them have a possession, and many of them need an exorcism, Divine Collective, okay? And something is connected to the content that you create. Someone's trying to steal or play some type of mind games with you, Divine Collective. You may do content, create content. What is this about, Spirit? They want you to spend money carelessly, Divine Collective. So again, Spirit has been saying kind of lately, put some money away or save some money. A lot of you are like, well, I ain't even got none to save. But I'm starting to pick up on why Spirit is saying that. Because someone is doing spell work so that you will spend money carelessly, Divine Collective. And that you will not have any, that you will be broke. And from that point on, they can cause you challenges and you won't have what you need to get through, and so on and so forth. It's just so predictable with the karmic energy, Divine Collective. So predictable, okay? So they want you to spend your money carelessly. 9:24 on the clock. Continue forgiving, continue healing, Divine Collective. I'm getting the elites in this reading, working to resolve a conflict because they know they're in a mess here because of something that they did under the full moon. Stick to the plan, Divine Collective, not your mood. Divine strategic move, Spirit says. Trust your instincts.